Our VCI papers go through rigorous quality checks to ensure the highest quality, most effective VCI papers on the market. With specific formulations for ferrous metals like steel and iron, copper, aluminum, and multi-metals, you're guaranteed to have the proper VCI formulation for your specific application. All of our VCI papers are impregnated with VCI on both sides. Unlike most competitors' one-sided products, our customers never have to worry about whether they are using the correct side of the paper. We've set the standard in the industry for quality. Contact us today for your free corrosion consultation, samples, or a price quotation. We'll end your rust problems once and for all.